Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Let me just go straight to the point. Have you ever found yourself looking for something inside your refrigerator? You know you put something there, but you can't just find it. Today, I want to tell you that I became so frustrated about this refrigerator because I know I have so many things inside the refrigerator, but I can't just put my hand there because I have so many things. So I decided to buy this 4-piece set in Costco that I'm gonna use to rearrange the destiny of this refrigerator, because I just want to place the things and I will know that this is where I place it and I'll be able to get it whenever I need to use it. It could be very frustrating. You want to cook, you have a particular something inside the refrigerator, but you keep on searching and searching for it. So today, that is what I'm going to do. And I want you to follow me. First, I have to remove everything inside there. I'm going to start with the freezer. Then I'm going to go to the fridge. So first, I'm going to remove everything. And when I remove, I'm going to clean it. It's not too dirty. It's not even dirty. Let me just put it that way. But I just want to clean it, remove everything. Then I'm going to arrange in such a way that I will know. If possible, I'm going to label it. This is where I put this. This is where I place this. So anytime I need to cook, anytime I need to use something, I'm going to just reach out for it. If you find yourself going through this particular problem or issue, let me put it that way. It's not a problem. It's an issue. You can also do what I'm going to do right now. It's going to make life much easier for you because I just put the food together with some other things. So I just need to arrange the whole thing. The only thing I know I don't make mistakes is that I don't put raw meat or fish where I put every other thing because of the smell and everything. So, but every other thing I think I've put so much in that I don't even know where I put those things. So right now I'm going to remove everything from the freezer and the fridge. I'm going to give it a clean up and I'm going to now arrange it. I'm going to put the chicken separate place, the beef in a particular place. I have so many linguiça. I'm going to put it in another place. I'm going to put my waffles in the side. And I'm going to use the rack I bought from Costco to arrange the fruits, the vegetables, and everything. So follow me as I do this thorough real life cleaning of my refrigerator. But before I go on, don't forget to share my post. Don't forget to like my post. Encourage me. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of energy to do all this thing because you have to combine it with work and so many other things. So encourage your sister, encourage your daughter, encourage your friend. Thank you so much for liking, for sharing, for giving me thumbs up, and for subscribing to my post. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much and God bless you. So follow me as I do this thorough, life-changing, real life cleaning of and rearranging of my refrigerator. Thank you. Yeah, guys, I'm done right now. It is not an easy job. I thought it's gonna be something I'm just gonna do within just some minutes, but it took me almost 2 hours. You can't beat that. It took me more than 2 hours to clean this fridge, to rearrange everything. Though I was actually doing other things, but I was, it's not easy to do this work anyway. Let me just put it that way. But at the end of the day, I think I am satisfied. I'm proud of myself. I'm able to achieve this. I'm able to rearrange the fridge, clean everything, put everything in an orderly manner, in a way I can easily reach out if I need something. So I'm able to put everything where it's supposed to be. So thank you for joining me. If you want to join me to do this, please go ahead. Look at what I've done. You can also do it. Thank you so much. We are moving. We're going to see tomorrow in my next one. Bye bye.